how you chop wood. Nature, wilderness, log jams, all part of overlanding. Ooh, what's that? Sexy ass truck over there, yeah. Spent one night last night by ourselves, Kate and I, making some taters for second breakfast and steak from Walmart. You know, I don't buy shit from Walmart because it's vacuum sealed. I really hate bloody water, especially when I have my beer in there. It's not a good sign. So Kate's kind of short, so, you know, vertically challenged. So yeah, we're just waiting for the hog crew to show up. Gonna have a little shindig tonight. Burn some wood, drink some beers. You know, overland stuff. So pretty, look how the creek is running. Ooh, we've got Toyota friends. Import camper. Ooh, yeah. Look at these hogs. Just hogging. What's going on, Haas?
Oh, wow.
Sup, dog?
Look at that fire. And that's a dog and Lindsay.
The cutest dog.
What's your dog's name?
Clementine.
Whoa!
They call her Clem for short.
Clem.
Yeah, short for chlamydia.
Chlamydia.
Finally got a drone. Am I gonna use it properly? No. Let's take a gander at what's going on. All right, we got a pretty good view here, eh? Look at that. Is this like the intended purpose of a drone, to watch people? Well, they're not waving their arms in the... Oh, are they getting... morning and I suck at filming when I'm drunk. So there's a wood stack from last night. Kyle and Lindsay left. And now we're cooking bacon again. Yeah, dirty hog strips. So we're gonna probably go do some overlanding today. Yes, quite. Do you buy your eggs in a container? I sure do. No way you can break these bad boys. See, still good. If you don't leave a campsite like this, don't even talk to me. You know, one of the best parts of living on Vancouver Island is the endless network of logging roads that just bring you to all secret lakes and all the secret camp spots. And of course, all those secret spots always lead to Side Bay, because that's the only campsite. So whenever you see us camping, it's at Side Bay. Here we see a logging artifact. Sadly, someone's dome got cracked here on the bumps. Fallen soldier. This is the longest bridge in the Pacific Marine, and there's always someone camping down here. Let's give them the old friendly overland welcome. Hey! She was not happy. On the first night that we were camping, we heard some weird beluga music. We're gonna go attempt to see if we can't find where the source of that awful sound was coming from. Whale noises. Who plays in whale music?
Whales.
Ah, Jesus, Bob, come over here and grade the road already. This is unacceptable. There's literal ponds in the middle here. Such a lazy operator. Wow, friendly crew. I think we found the source of the beluga music. Being part of nature, but not? Strange. My little IA Paul. Let's go see if he's awake. Oh, there's that dog of his, Odie. He will jump on you. Wakey, wakey, Paul! What's going on, man?
Not much. Showed up at 4:30 a.m.
Oh, yeah,
Everything in the camper was vibrating. Everything you could imagine was vibrating. So we're not getting any fucking sleep there, so we came down here.
Yeah, we heard it on Friday night. Sounded like whale music.
I don't know what their musical taste.
Expected. Well, it's a good thing we like hung around because we almost didn't make it up.
Say, like, we should probably go with him, but we did.
Hey, it all worked out in the end. All right, let's go overlanding. But I love the smell of moss in the morning. Ah yes, a wild Paul in his natural habitat, using his import camper on his taco. Look at how overland he is. I wish I was at overland. Found the exact source of the beluga music. Yeah, that guy likes to overland, apparently. Yeah, so we found some graffiti and an old logging bridge. This bridge was for logging. They used to haul giant logs on this bridge with giant trucks. Crazy, eh? They could only put one wheel at a time. This is the very same creek we were on last night.
Wow.
I am 100% lying. No one knows where we are. And if you do not comment. Because it's actually Side Bay. We're still at Side Bay.
Yep.
Wow. Okay. We're at a point of interest where people usually camp where they're not supposed to be. Kate seems to think I'm a Boy Scout leader because of that. How about you just leave parking lots for parking? This isn't Walmart. Little known fact about spruce trees, when they reach this size, that they actually build themselves fences around the base so no animals can eat the bark. Isn't that wild? Wild. Wild. Isn't this thing wild? I can't even see the top of this thing. Big old sprucer. What's that, Destiny's Child song? Don't go chasing waterfalls. That's what we're gonna go see right now, a waterfall. because I go chasing after them.
Oh my god.
And we're here.
Jesus.
This is where Beyonce started her career. Right in that pool. Jumped in and got all the talent she ever needed. Can you pay my telephone bills? Can you pay my... That's the wrong song. What do you think, Kate? Isn't Vancouver Island wild?
Oh yeah.
Wow! Yeah, so that's what makes Vancouver so wild. Overlanding, camping, looking at waterfalls, looking at suspension bridges, weird fencing that spruce trees make on their own. Yeah. If you ever get a chance, you can find all this sick action at Side Bay. Onward to overlanding! As we get passed by IKEA. How dare he? Wow. That guy is speed overlanding. Oh. I think I over-torqued that cooler. Torquey boy. On this week of Duncan Spec, we've got this Chevy Silverado with a forced air intake. That is some sick lines, bud. Wow, but that's not the best part. It's got a sick ass wooden flat deck on the back. This guy is ready for overlanding. Just look at that dovetail. Amazing.